All right, let's implement the addFirst method. This is very similar to what we did in the previous video. So public void addFirst, which takes an item. Now, once again, we need to wrap this item inside a node object. So var node equals new node of item. Now here we have two scenarios. If the list is empty, we need to add the first node. Otherwise, we need to prepend this item to the list. So we check if first is null. Then just like before, we set first and last to this new node. Otherwise, we want this node to point to our first node. So we type node.next equals first. And then we need to set the first node to this new node. So first equals node. We're done with the implementation of this method, but I want to show you a technique for making this code more readable and more maintainable. This is something that unfortunately most data structures, books, and courses don't teach you. Most of the code samples I see in these books look disgusting. They look really ugly, like old school, like the code we used to write in 1980s. So how can we improve this code and make it more readable? Well, look at this logic. What is the point of this logic? We're trying to see if this list is empty or not. So we can extract this into a private method and call it isEmpty. Let me show you. So here we create a private method. It's private because this is implementation detail. We don't want this to be accessible outside of this class. So public boolean isEmpty. Now here we simply return first equals null. Now we can improve this code by replacing this logic with a call to this new method. Isn't that cleaner? Let's also modify the addLast method. Is empty. Beautiful. Next, we're going to implement the indexOf method.